Look at this. So this homeowner complained every single time this turned on, it sounded like a rocket ship taking off. She decided to replace her water heater after finding out what's inside there. So we're gonna take a look and cut open it right now. This is the reason why the water heater sounded like it was taken off every single day and every single time it started up. This water heater is completely full of sand, sediment, and hard water. This is why when you replace a water heater, it's so important to have some form of water treatment to, one, remove all the sand and silt, but also to remove the hard water and protect your tank for the longevity of your system.